This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can enable or disable the display zoom feature on this drone, or to put it in simpler terms, how you can scale the interface text or make it bigger or smaller. So first, make sure that everything is switched on, RC is connected to the aircraft, you are in the fly interface. From here, tap on those three horizontal dots to launch settings. Next, select the control category at the top, and the second option that you'll find here is display zoom, which you can switch between standard or smaller text or larger text to increase the interface accessibility perhaps. And that's about it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.